welcome back to my channel. So I want to wish you guys a happy new year. So this is my first video this year, and guess what I'm doing? I'm doing a get to know me tag. So I'm just gonna talk about myself all through this video, and I hope you enjoy. And if you're new here, please subscribe. Press the subscribe button, like here. I don't know where it is, but find it and please subscribe, like my videos, also share my videos, and let's go to the videos because I'm gonna just go right in there. So since it's just me talking about myself, I might as well just go in there. So I got some questions, like a get to know me questions online and blah blah blah, that kind of stuff. So the first thing I'd like everyone to know is I'm a paper person. Yes, I know this is childish, but don't judge. Please don't judge. So I'm a paper person, so I have this written down in notes instead of like having it on my phone. I don't know why I do that, but that's how it is. So the first question is, what is my full name? So my name is Joanne, but it's just like all this controversy over it. Joanne, but I just go by Joanne. And my middle name is pretty long. It's Oluwafolakumi. And my last name, y'all don't need to know about that. Don't mind me. So my name is Joanne Oluwafolakumi, and let's end it there. So where are you from and where do you live? So I'm from Lagos, Nigeria. Woo woo. Yes, I'm Nigerian, but I currently live in Canada, so that's where I am. Yep, that's it. Oh well. So favorite childhood memories. So what's my favorite childhood memory? There's a lot of things that, like, okay, I would say my favorite memory was when my dad actually got this when my dad got a new car, and he just like, oh, hop in, let's just drive around, like, for no reason. We just drove around. It's a new car. Like, it was so cool because I was like, oh, just like a daddy and daughter kind of time. That's how I looked at it as. And I was like, I can't remember, probably I was 8 or 9. I'm thinking 9, but I'm not too sure. So that was like, I would say that was like one of my favorite like moment, and that's like the first thing that popped into my head right now. Is just that daddy daughter moment I had when we went for that ride. So that's my favorite moment, and rest in peace, dad, I love you. Favorite holiday destination, I would say I'll put this on a wish list. I really want to go to Greece, but I don't know what part in Greece. So if you're from Greece, please drop down locations, and if you've gone like vacation to Greece, please drop down locations so I can look at it as well, because I really want to go there. I just love that place. And next question is, what is your biggest regret? I would say my biggest regrets, like top my list, are these fingernails. Oh, I hate them so bad, but like, it's my fault, right? So kids, don't chew your fingernails. It doesn't end up well. Take it from me, it doesn't end up well. So that would be like my biggest regret, like having to chew on this, and now it just looks horrible. But I've like grown into it. I'm not bothered by it anymore. And if it's like crazy, you can just fix artificial nails on there. Sorry, you can also fix artificial nails on there, but I'm not really into those. Like, I'm not really into that. But I do fix sometimes, but not like maybe once a year or twice a year, just depending. So next question, what is my favorite color? So as you can see, it's purple. I love purple. I've been a fan of purple since I can remember. So that is it. And there's this question, on here, like, what is one item you can't leave home without? I would say my purse, like where my credit cards are, ID card, like my purse. Like not my purse, like my wallet. Yeah, it's called wallet here. My purse, my wallet, sorry. My wallet. So that's one thing I can't leave home without. And tea or coffee? I really don't like hot stuff, but I do drink tea or coffee, but I just don't have a favorite. I just drink iced tea and I'm good. Like, I'm a big fan of iced tea, so that answers the question of favorite drink. I'm a big iced tea fan. Just give me iced tea and I'm sold. So spot you've played. I've played a couple of spots, but I think my favorite would be, the question doesn't ask for your favorite, but it's just sports you've played. So let me answer that. So football, it's called soccer, football, soccer. Volleyball, that which I really love. So I would say volleyball. Yeah, I did do track, but not for a long time, but I did do track. Yeah, I would say those three that I can remember, but it's mostly football and volleyball and swimming. I do like swimming a lot. So that answers that question. So favorite TV show. So with that, I don't have one. I have like a list of like stuff that I like to watch. Like, I would just mention them, but not in like, I'm just gonna mention them actually. I like sci-fi kind of TV shows with like smart people, like nerds. I love TV shows like that. So I like Scorpion, I like Big Bang Theory, I like Modern Family, Scorpion, Big Bang Theory, Modern Family, Jane the Virgin, Blackish, Grey's Anatomy. I think that's where I used to watch Devious Maid, but I don't know if there's like a new season or so. But no, so Devious Maid would be like the bottom of the list, but that's like what I watch like all year round, that kind of thing. That's what I don't like watch different kind of TV shows. I just circle around that. So that answers that question. Favorite movie? I don't think I have a favorite movie. I don't think so. I like so many movies. But for the sake of answering this question, I'm just gonna think of one. I like The Incredibles. I don't know, that's what came to my head. So I like The Incredibles. It's like it's animation, so I like that. I like A Walk to Remember. I like The Notebook. I like it's a list. I don't really have like that one movie that I like. So that answers that. And the next question, star sign. So I think that's what it's called, like star sign, zodiac sign. I'm a Libra. So October. Yes, girl. Yes, go. Yes, I'm a Libra, so that's what it is. So it says hair color. So my hair color is brown. The length, short. Yeah, brown, short hair, but not like too short, but just, it's actually short. I'm just gonna say short. It's short. Best face feature it's a debate between my eyes and my lips. So I'm just gonna leave that there. My eyes and my lips. So what gifts do you have? This is a very interesting question. At the same time, I might sound weird, but I feel like I have this gift of like seeing things like ahead, like before it happens, like in my dream. Like I've been having it, but it's kind of like on and off kind of situation. But I feel like I just like play, like my head just like plays in my sleep, probably like a night before. It just like plays how like the next day is gonna go, and just gonna like arrange stuff for me, like make me like organized like in my head. So I don't know. So I could give you an example. Like I just like, it's like when you're sleeping but you feel like you're awake in that sleep. So like this morning or yesterday I would say, I slept and I just played like exactly what happened today in my head. Is like I woke up and I'm like, oh, I need my ID card because I'm gonna forget this, my student card, I need that. It's just like things I would have like forgotten to take out, and I remembered that, and I just like took them put them in my bag and left. Another example would be like I was supposed to drive a friend to pick up her car. I was supposed to drive her to pick up her car, and in my dream I dreamt that I forgot to pick her. So when I woke up, I remembered to pick her. So that kind of thing. And one time when I was young, actually, I actually dreamt about like my homework, like an assignment, and I woke up the next day and just like the teacher was like doing the correction of the assignment on there. So I woke up and just like downloaded like the answers of the question. That was like the best. And sometimes like I see my result before I actually have them, and it's like exactly the same thing. It sounds weird, but it does happen to me. Like I like it, I don't like it, kind of like a mixed feeling, but mostly I like it because I think it helps me get organized and know what to set for, and and trust me, if you're in a Nigerian home, you want to know what your result is before you get home, so you know what kind of like punishment you're gonna get or praise you're gonna get. So that kind of thing, it just makes me prepare my mind. Oh, am I gonna be whooped? Am I gonna be talked to? Or am I gonna be praised? That kind of thing. So it just mindset, that's what it does. It just helps with mindset. So that's all. I would probably do a part 2, but that will be later on. But this is all I have. So this is just a little bit about me. And I'm a very playful person. So if you see me like doing all this, it just comes. I don't plan on, it just comes. So thank you guys for watching, and click on my other videos and share them, like them, drop a comment. Let's get to know each other, and subscribe if you're new here. And to my subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you for your support, and see you in my next video.